create connection object. How to create connection object. How to create connection object. Okay. Okay. We have to create object for SQL connection class. You have to create object for SQL connection class. Within, I am talking everything on behalf of this data provider. Within this data provider, to achieve this, they have given one predefined class. The class name is, what is the class name?
SQL connection.
SQL connection. SQL connection. Now, how to create? You have to create object for SQL connection class like SQL connection CONN equal to new SQL connection. New SQL connection. That's it. So you are creating object for which class? SQL connection class. SQL connection. SQL connection is what?
Class.
Defined class. Predefined class. This class is a part of which base class library?
SQL client.
See, you can observe. It is a predefined class. It is a part of a base class library called
System data SQL client.
System.data.SQL client. System.data.SQL client. It is a part of a base class library called system.data.SQL client. Okay, observed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, yes. So, how to create connection object? How to create connection object? SQL connection CONN equal to new SQL connection. Here, what is SQL connection? Here, what is SQL connection? We need to understand what is SQL connection. If somebody will ask you what is SQL connection, what we can answer?
It's a predefined class in the SQL client data provider, base class library.
SQL connection is a predefined class which is part of system.data.SQL client base class library. SQL connection is a predefined class which is part of system.data.SQL client base class library. Base class library. So finally we can say SQL connection is a predefined class which is part of system.data.SQL client base class library. SQL client base class library. Yeah. Here.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this class is defined in this base class library. That base class library is nothing but what? Data provider. Data provider. In this class, Microsoft has defined connection related properties and methods. In which class? In which class?
SQL connection class.
SQL connection class. SQL connection class. In SQL connection class, Microsoft has defined connection related properties and methods. Okay guys, up to